What's up, sweethearts? Welcome to the tutorial for I Need Your Love by Shaggy. Let's get started. So we're going to start here with the right arm reaching out towards the mirror, and we pull it in. Left hand is up overhead. We're going to have these little twist hands here. So we go 1, 2, 3, 4. Hands overhead in prayer, body, and then we open out the hands, palms up, and we do hips and body as well. Other side, left hand reaches front, front. We go 1, 2, 3, 4. Again, with that right hand reaching out, right foot stepping out. 1, 2, 3, 4. And we take it scoop side, and the legs go out and out together. And the arms are going to come up, prayer, and down. So we go 1, 2, 3, 4, and let those settle there. Facing the front. It goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Scoop right, scoop left. Both arms out and out together, prayer, and bring it down to center. So other than the chorus that you just learned, there are 3 verses in this section. We start with this little tap, up and over. It goes 1, 2, 3, 4, and then it goes taps cross, open, and we bring it over to the other side and slide it in. 1, 2, 3, 4, tap, open, slide, close. Now we're going to have that as a little jump. 2, 3, 4. Keep it on the ground on this one. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now the arms are going to be Bollywood arms, and we're going to pull them down. 1, 2 with the twist. 3, 4. As the leg crosses, the arms are going to go opposition, and then they're going to go open, and they're going to go across the body, and they're going to circle here. We have our little index fingers there. So it goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That repeats 4 times. Let's see it facing the front. We go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 4 taps. 3, 4, cross, open. 2 more times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You're going to get nice and low there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Next part, we have a pull. We have a twist of the hand, a single, single, double. It goes single, single, double, pull. Twist and pull, double, left. 1, 2, 3, 4. And I'm going to circle the hands up. We're going to take the feet. 5, 6, 7, 8. Repeats the other side. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Kick. 5, 6, 7, 8. Facing the front. And pull, pull, double pull. Twist those arms 2 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. Kick. Start left. Right, left, to the left, we go single, single, double, single, single, double, single, single. This time start right foot kick. 4, 3, 2, 1. And one more section. This is our sword section. The hands on the hip, the right hand comes across and then it slices from. And then we're going to bring it up and over, and we're going to come at 2, which is a bend of the leg, and we're going to hop around. Hop, 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 hop. And we're going to take it front, front, back, back. Left arm. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and front. 5, 6, 7, 8. So really sharp across. Hop, 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 hop. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1. Sharp. Pop, 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 pop. Front, 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 front. So for a little extra detail, we have a little Bollywood hand. That's our parrot. So you take the thumb, wrap the index finger over it, and then we flare the 3 fingers out. It's kind of hard to do. You can also think, okay, great, or you can go for that. So it goes 1, 2, 3, and 4, and palms out. Right side, across. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Facing the front. 4 times. Starting with that right arm. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. 1. Slice. 3, and 4, and 5, 6. Again, both sides. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7. Last time. Left. Slice. Pop, 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 pop. Front, back, back. So those are all the sections. We have the up and over for 4, the cross each side. We have the single, single, double for 4 with the kicks. And then we have our slice across, hops, and front, front, back, back. And then of course our chorus. I need your love, I need your love, I need your love, 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 love. Opposite side, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Right hand again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Right arm scoops and scoops 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, and settle prayer. That's it. Let's dance it.